All right, today we're gonna show you how to do a really fun bubble pony. So I'm gonna have you tilt your head back, and we're just gonna use a regular hairbrush for this, and we're gonna brush everything back. And by leaning the head back like this determines how high you can get the ponytail on the head. So if you want something really high, you're gonna tilt your head back more, and if you want a low pony, then you're gonna keep your chin down. But we're gonna start pretty high. So I'm gonna have you tilt your head back. So this is really easy to do on yourself. You're just gonna start with a regular pony here. Too neat. It's okay if it has a little bit of texture to it. So once we get the ponytail established, we are going to take little bits through the top, and you can just pull a little, and that makes it a little bit messier, not so clean and uptight looking. So by the side, you can see that she's got some texture going through here, which looks really nice. And then we're gonna start making our bubbles. So we're just gonna go down about a couple inches, and we're gonna start our first bubble here. And we're using clear elastics. And once your first bubble is in, you're gonna just take sections and you're just gonna pull. And you can make it as big as you want. I kind of like to make it bigger. I think it's really fun, especially when you have long hair like this. You can get away with doing pretty big bubbles. I think that's really fun. And now we're gonna do our second bubble. Same thing, we're just gonna go a couple inches down the hair. And we're gonna pull. And you can pull as little or as much as you want, just depending on how messy you want it. And we're gonna just repeat the process all the way down through the ends. If you have fine hair, you can go through with a salt spray, and that'll help plump it up a little bit and add a little bit of texture. And then at the end, you can choose whether you want to do a little bubble or if you just want to leave it out just like this. I actually think that that looks pretty cute, but just for the fun of it, let's go ahead and do one more little bubble so you can see what that looks like. Manipulate it as much as you want to get the shape that you're going for. And I think the whole idea behind it is that it doesn't need to be perfect. It's just a really quick, simple hairstyle. Voila, you have a super cute party pony.